In this video, you will learn how to withdraw money from Creator Alliance. First, log into your account. Start by logging into your Creator Alliance account using your credentials such as your password and username. Navigate to the payment or payout section. Once logged in, go to the payouts or withdrawals section of your account dashboard. This is usually found in the settings or finance site. Then, select withdrawal method. Choose your preferred withdrawal method. Creator Alliance typically supports the options such as bank transfer, PayPal or direct payments to other platforms, depending on what's available in your area. Enter withdrawal amount. Specify the amount you wish to withdraw. Make sure to check that if there are any minimum withdrawal limits or fees that may apply. Confirm and submit. After entering the withdrawal details, review everything carefully, then confirm the withdrawal. Some platforms may require additional verification for security reasons. Wait for processing. After submitting your withdrawal, it may take some time for the payment to be processed, depending on your method or platform policies. Keep an eye out for email confirmation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.